This is how to use the new WhatsApp feature of WhatsApp web calling. This was released a few hours back, and here's what they've announced. So what this means is that we can now open WhatsApp web in our browser and make or receive phone calls just from here. And it works similar to Google Meet or Zoom, since we can now create a call link and share it with others. So let's see how it works. The first step is open your browser and come to web.whatsapp.com. Once you're here, you'll have to pair your phone if you haven't. You can just scan this QR code, or you can select login with phone number and you'll receive a code. So here I'm in WhatsApp, and if I want to create a call, just go to any chat, let's say this one. And once you're here, click on the three dots which are on the top right, and you'll find a new option that's send call link. So select this, and you can see we can create a call link from here. We have a few options. First, you can decide if it's a video call or an audio call. So we can change it from here. After that, we can copy the link to share it with others. And then you can decide if you want to require approval to let people join. So if you want that, just enable it, and everything is done. You just have to copy this link and share it with others. So let's try it out. I'll join the call. And here you can see this pop-up has come, and to join it, just click on join. Then they've also given the link that you can share with others. If you want to share the link via WhatsApp, just click on this, and then you can select the contacts you want to share it with. And if you want to add people, you can do that from here. So everything is set up, and if you want to move the call to a new tab, just click on this icon, and you can see it's opened up in a new tab. And these are all the options we have. So at the bottom left, we can control our camera and microphone. Then below, we have the options to send reactions, raise our hand, and screen share. And the last thing is if you want to end the call. To do that, just click on the disconnect button at the bottom right. So this is how it works, and if you want to know some WhatsApp privacy settings, check out this video. Goodbye.